Alright, we're on video. Say hi, Granny and Grandpa. Hey, Granny and Grandpa. Hey, Grandpa. Nobody's talking to me. Hello.
Hello, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandpa.
Up, there's an apple.
You sure look different with that.
Mommy,
Yeah.
What is your name?
Love you too. Probably around this, something like that. Little lighter. Probably like his. In a minute.
I want to do it right now.
Are you gonna get cranky?
No. You got ants in your pants?
No.
Dalen doesn't want to be. Alright, Nan.
Look at her. She's hiding from you.
Say hey, everybody.
You can't be on that video. You don't have a ticket.
Uh-oh. That's
Where's
trouble.
your ticket?
Alright, I need to collect ticket from you.
I don't know.
Oh no, I'm gonna have to kick you off the video.
No, you're not. Dalen, No. There's no tickets on videos.
How come you're not sitting on Grandpa?